Hey guys, today I decided to make a new video and I want to make my video on how to line your numbers up correctly when you're adding and subtracting. I noticed that a lot of kids make mistakes in their math, and the only reason why they made a mistake is because they didn't line their numbers up right when they were doing their math. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. First, I'm going to show you the wrong way to do it, then I'm going to show you the right way. So the way that I always see people do when they're making mistakes is they line their numbers up by the first digit of each number. That is the wrong way to write your numbers down. So let's see, I have 236, 7,852, 49, and then 5. So if I was doing this the wrong way, which is wrong, 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 don't do it. Okay, if I was doing this the wrong way, I would put my 236, then I would put 7,852 right underneath, then I would put 49, then I would put 5. Now, a 5 does not go in the thousands place. That doesn't make any sense. So I know that this is going to give me the wrong answer. Like, let's say I went ahead and put my line, I added this up. I would get a ginormous number, a huge, crazy, big number. This is the 100% wrong way to line up your numbers. When you are going to line up your numbers, you need to line them up by the last, the last digit of each number. I totally missed that. All right, so you're gonna line it up with by the last digit of each number. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So let's say I'm adding. When you add, it doesn't matter which number goes on top, only when you're subtracting. I always like to put the larger number on top, but in addition, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to show you how to write an addition problem when you're not trying to put the bigger number first, and then I'll show you how it looks with the bigger number first. All right, so I have 236. Right, and then I just underline my last digit so I keep remembering. Line them up by the last digit. Okay, so next I have 7,852. So I'm gonna make sure the 2 is right here under the 6. And then I put the 5, then I put the 8, then I put the 7. Notice how all of my ones places, tens, and hundreds places are all in the same spot. All right, so next I have 49. And then my 9 is in the ones place, and it's with all the other digits that are in the ones place. And then last I have the 5, and the 5 is going to go right underneath the 9. So you see I can write a straight line at the end of this column, and everything lines up perfectly. So if I added these numbers now, as long as I do the right addition, I'll get the right answer. Even if I did the right addition on these numbers, the answer would be wrong because they're all in the wrong place. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you do it the perfect way, when you put the bigger number on top. So let's start with my biggest number, which is this one, 7,852. I am going to write it really quickly. Then here it is. Then I'm going to put my second larger number, which is the 236. And I'm going to make sure my 6 and my 2 line up. So then I have a 3, and then the 2 is in the hundreds place, so now I'm at 236. Okay, next is 49. I'm going to make sure the 9 lines up with the 2 and the 6 because they're all in the ones place. I put my 4. I'm done. Next is going to be the 5, who is the last digit. The last number that I have to put. So now you can see, look how nice it looks. I can put my straight line here. It even makes a triangle. I love it like this. It looks so nice and perfect. So remember, when you are adding numbers or even subtracting numbers or multiplying numbers, It's the same. You do the same, you line them all up the same way. So you need to make sure that you're lining up your digits by your numbers, sorry, by the last digit of each number. All right, bye guys.